Sun Tzu said, "War is a matter of vital importance to the state, the province of life and death, the road to survival or ruin. It must be thoroughly studied." Warfare is not just about physical battles, but also about strategy, tactics, and intelligence. Sun Tzu stresses the importance of understanding the nature of war and being well prepared. To win a war, one must have a clear objective, a well-thought-out plan, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Sun Tzu's teachings emphasize the importance of being flexible and anticipating the enemy's moves. Knowing yourself and your enemy is crucial in war. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of both sides can lead to victory. Sun Tzu teaches the importance of intelligence gathering and strategic thinking. The art of war is not just a military treatise. It is a guide to success in any competitive situation. Sun Tzu's principles of strategy and leadership are still relevant today in business, politics, and everyday life. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.